Model, 2017 Citroën Relay Boxer DUCATO 35L3 Diesel 2.0 BlueHDi H2 VAN 130 PS Enterprise Spares OR Repairs Breakers. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 238857. MOT, 30 March 2024. Engine, 1997 cc DW10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing, gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, cruise control, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.